Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You guys are tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. Your fellow passengers stopping in with you guys with the daily BTC price prediction. Looks like BTC has exceeded its buyer's obligation level at about $19,700. We finally have a $20,000 BTC. We're going to go over a few things in the charts to see if we can understand the direction. Guys, keep in mind BTC is in uncharted territories. It has never been at this price ever in the history. So it's going to be pretty difficult to understand a range here until it actually finds a range. The only reference point we're going to be able to go over is the previous level of resistance as support. We're going to stick with that for now. If you're just joining us, welcome in. It's really simple what we do. We only find support, resistance, and patterns to determine the market's direction. Really simple. So we just ask that you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified where we see the markets going before it happens, and support the channel. Leave a comment, leave an appropriate thumb. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. We appreciate your support, guys. Let's not waste time. We're going to go into this short-term daily BTC price prediction, do the best we can with what we have, and let's just dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is December the 16th, 2020. And the previous close, the current price of BTC is going to be $21,706.98. It's up about 1.6% for the day. Okay. So on our previous video, we went over a price target. I think the price was at about $19,200 and $19,300. We were simply waiting to see how the price would respond to the $19,600 level and the $19,700 level right here. These are 12-hour candles, by the way. And BTC actually put a 12-hour candle right through that level there, closed above that top of that green line, and off to the sky it went, all the way up to $21,000. It almost got as high as $22,000, and it's just kind of hanging out in the air there. So the uptrend is perfectly confined. The sellers who entered their positions here starting at about November the 30th to start this small downtrend. I'm not sure how they're going to get out of those positions down there. Let's just see how this plays out. I think eventually they should be able to do something with their positions. Whether they're going to buy in, I'm not sure, guys, but things are not looking good for the sellers who enter their positions here. And I'm going to say that about that. And of course, just to keep everyone up to speed, if it's not obvious enough, to verify uptrends, we're just looking for higher highs, higher lows. BTC is obviously in an uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows, and now we just need to see where BTC is going to go. Is it just going to continue to fly to the upside? Is it going to backtest the previous support level? The previous resistance level at about $19,700. It's too early to call, guys, and we may have to even throttle down the daily BTC price predictions, just because, again, BTC is in just an uncharted territory. It's never been this high. We just have to locate a range, and we're actually going to get rid of this line right here and put this line as a red line, because that's the only reference point we have now. The previous resistance level, maybe there'll be some activity to backtest this level. I'm not sure at this point, guys. BTC is looking very bullish. I'm just going to keep my eyes on the price here. And also, we do have a price target of about $27,000. Maybe this will happen just before the end of December. Maybe it won't. That's our price target. Let's just see how this plays out. Potentially revisit this video just to see if everything has gone accordingly. So my prediction is going to be, I'd say that it would probably be in the best interest for BTC to do some sideways consolidation, maybe get a back test of the previous support resistance level. That's not guaranteed, guys. Things are looking really bullish. One thing that I will point out here, I don't think that we point this out on our daily price predictions, is the Bollinger Bands. We actually haven't showed this in quite some time. So these are the 12-hour candles. The candle's body has closed outside of the Bollinger Bands on the 12-hour. It's also closed outside of the Bollinger Bands on the daily. And I think it also closed out, well, not yet on a 3-day. So it hasn't closed outside on the 3-day. So that's fine. And the weekly, I'm not sure where exactly the weekly is. Let's check it out really quickly. Okay, so the weekly is still kind of puncturing through the top of that Bollinger Band, the lip of that Bollinger Band. We still have about 3 days to close on this weekly candle. I don't see any real stopping BTC at this point, guys. I truly think that when markets top out, this isn't how like markets top out. Like there's a very aggressive, extreme move to the upside with a large wick at the top of it, and that's how markets typically top out. And it's so far the evidence that I'm seeing in the charts, I don't see any imminent top out evidence right now, guys. So I mean, maybe there'll be a pullback. That's fine, right? But as far as topping out here, I don't think that's gonna happen. I could be wrong. Let's let the chart say, suggest what's going to happen next, and just continue to follow this as we find some sort of range, and yeah, potentially back test the previous resistance level. So I'm not sure where BTC is going, guys. It's very bullish. It could simply continue to the upside. $27,000 is my price target here before the end of December, and that's what I'm going to leave you guys out, close it out here. Thanks for tuning in with us, guys. Leave an appropriate thumb if you enjoyed the content there. Leave a comment down below. Let us know where you guys see the price going. $100,000, is it going to reach $400,000 here over the next 6 months to 12 months? Let us know down in the comment section, guys. It's Napoleon Macro. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thank you for your time. We're going to talk very soon, guys. Before you go, we also go over the traditional markets. If you guys are into stocks, leave your requests down below. We get to those as quickly as we possibly can. Be sure to be subscribed. It's not required, but we appreciate it if you guys can do that for us. And we're going to go ahead and sign off here, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolios. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.